What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I got the iPhone 11, right? Demo unit. I got the iPhone 11R demo unit. And I got the iPhone 11 Max. It's supposed to be the Max or the Pro. Crackback demo unit. So in this video, I want to give a shout out to Carl for Armadillo Tech that sent me out 3 cases for each device here. And we're going to open it up and see what it's all about. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready because it's iPhone season. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So it's iPhone season and I got the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11R, and I got the iPhone 11 Max or 11 Pro, whichever one that Apple's going to call it. And I have the iPulse cases for each device. Shout out to Armadillo Tech. Carl, he sent me out these cases for review. So we're going to go over it and see what it's all about. Now, these are dummy units. Just by any chance people hit in the comments why I don't turn these on. These are dummy demo units. All right, so let's go on and open up the first package here. Move it to the side, move these to the side, and let's go on and get into the iPulse case. All the information and details about these cases, pricing and availability will be down in the comments down below. Here we go. Once we take it off, it is a nice pretty box here. Got a nice texture on it. And when you take it out the box, you do have a cloth here that is wrapped up in. And when we take it out of the cloth, you get a nice, beautiful case here. And the call for Armadillo Tech have a written statement here about this case here. So I don't know if this is going to come in all retail, but shouts out to him. That's a good look. Thank you very much. All right, so let's go and move this to the side and let's get to the meat of the show. All right, so when we look at the case here, nice. And when you open it up, you got slots here for your cards. When you pull this out, boom. Go on to make sure y'all eat this. Nah, I'm just playing with you. All right, so it's a glossy inside. All right, and you want to get full protection for your iPhone 10. Let's go and pop it in. Now we all know that the iPhone 11 will have the new camera array. All right, so when you put the device in, you see that it fits nice and snug right there. All right, and you do have access to your buttons right here as long as the case open. All right, and you have your card slot. And when you close it, magnet, boom. All right, and there it is. Beautiful. Now you have the punch holes here if you want to talk on the phone. There it is. You got your bottom exposed. Your sides right here exposed. Your top is exposed. And it's a very good looking case. You got your iPulse and signature at the bottom. And they say iPulse 11 for the iPhone 11. Now, as far as durability, I mean, it's a nice case here, and there it is. So you're going to get some protection here for your device, and it does have a raise here to protect the camera array. As you know, that iPhone 11 will come with this square stovetop stuffing camera array, and as you can see, that the cameras is well protected right here. Now the corners is protected a little bit here. As you can see, got a little lip there that's protecting the corner. So if it does go on the side there, it's going to be protected. But it's inside the case. So you have 2 layers of protection here. You have that lip over there and you have that resivity right there. So it's going to help. There it is. Boom, there it is. So let me go ahead and put all 3 of the cases on so y'all guys can see all 3 of them in action. Check this out. So boom, there it is. We got the iPhone 11, iPhone 11R, and the iPhone 11 Max or 11 Pro, however which Apple's going to call it. And as you can see, all 3 cases look the same. Boom. I will leave pricing and availability down in the description below where you can pick these iPulse cases up. And as you can see with the iPhone R, it has iPulse 11R, and it has iPulse Max. So this is going to be the Max. This is when here's going to be the Aura, and this one going to be the 11. I want to give a huge shout out to Armadillo Tech for sending these cases out for review. These are dope. So for all you iPhone fans out there that's about to pick up the new iPhone, there it is. Make sure you protect your investment with iPulse cases from Armadillo Tech. I will leave all the links down in the description so you can pick up these lovely cases. So there it is. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the iPulse cases in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace. So these are nice. Nice. And it's going to give you good protection. There it is.